Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a super special unboxing from Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, guys. She sent me something for my birthday. Thank you, Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, you are the sweetest. My birthday is this month in January on the 20th. So she was so sweet. She surprised me with something and I'm so excited to open it, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe it's gonna be my birthday. Like, should I tell you how old I am? Oh my god. You better not tell nobody, okay? I'm 31. Yeah, I'm 30. Oh my god. Oh, I swear, like, after I turned like 21, I stopped caring how old I was. But I feel like now it's starting to hit me. I've always been told I'm too mature for my age. So, yeah, I don't know. How old do you think I was? I don't know. Anyways, guys, let's just open the gift. Forget about what I just told you. But yeah, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you, Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, so much. You are too sweet. So here is a gift. She's like, keep an eye out for Amazon because there's something coming for you. And I was like, oh my god. So here it is. Let's open it. I have no clue what it is, guys, okay? It's like a box or something. Hold on, let me take it out. Ooh. It smells good in here. Let me see the little note that she sent me. It says, Kim, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this gift. Thanks for your friendship. Love ya, from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Oh, thank you, Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. You are so sweet. Oh my god. By the way, go check out her channel, guys. I will put it in the description down below. So, ooh, how cute. Green. I love green. If you know, my marriage anniversary is on March 17th. So I love anything green. Oh, this is all taped up. Hold on. Let me get my handy dandy crafting knife to open this up. It's in a super cute box. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Oh, hold on. Almost. There you go. Okay. They put it in like a protective plastic so they don't mess up the beautiful box, because I know Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽 loves packaging. It smells good, guys. It says, best wishes. Thank you for being with me all and forever. Oh, how cute. It has like a little note right here on the little paper. Cute. Thank you, Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. Hold on. Let's see what's inside. Bubble wrap. Oh, am I supposed to package my own gift? Hold on, it has like the little paper, you know, to make it look all cute and stuff. If you're gonna give it as a gift. It has a little baggie. Ooh. It says, a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Friendship. Ooh, cute. Look at that. It's like a little bolsita. How cute. This is gonna fit a lot. This is gonna go perfect with my totes because, guys, oh my god, I need to do like a tote haul. I have so many totes. I didn't even know. This is gonna go perfect with it though. How cute. It has like little flowers on it. It's giving me like those hippie vibes. You know what I'm talking about? Cute. And then it has a box. Ooh. Let's see what's inside. It smells delicious. It's a mug. Oh my god. I don't know what it is in this box, but it smells delicious. It's like very scented. And there's no candle here. I thought it was going to be a candle. But it's a mug. Oh. It says, a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Oh, look at that. And it has little flowers. Can you guys see? I love me a good mug. Look at that. It's so cute. Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, thank you. I'm going to go wash this and I'm going to use it. Because I've been trying to keep up with drinking my green tea. So, definitely going to be using this every single day. How cute. Miss 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be using my new goodies, guys. Guys, it's Miss Titi's birthday on the 20th next month, February. We're like literally a month apart. Don't tell her I told you, but, or maybe she wants you to know. I don't know, but you know, I'm gonna send her something too. How cute. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Titi. It means a lot for you to think about me for my birthday. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you always for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Thank you so much. And to all of you guys watching as well, thank you. I hope you guys all have a blessed birthday this year, because I know the year's barely beginning. Now I have to wait a whole nother year for my birthday again, but thank you, Miss Titi, so much. I love the gifts. Thank you. Guys, go check out Miss Titi's video. Like this video, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.